Hi, this is Danielle Zana. I basically have been away because I'm undergoing depression and things like that from certain issues that have been happening in my life and all that. And I have recently, with the depression, that my mind or my body tend to have generated a lot of electromagnetic radiation. Um, and it had blown my light bulbs, as well as tripped my earth leakage of my flat, and then blown some light bulbs in the street. Now, from the observations, I noticed that the LED and the normal, or standard filament light bulbs, they tend to have been blown easiest than the energy-saving ones. And I think the reason is because they emit far less they emit far more radiation, in a sense, which actually kind of counteracted my energy outbursts or electromagnetic radiation outbursts, or broadcasts when undergoing this sort of depression, fighting these negative feelings, because I get a lot of suicidal thoughts and all that, and I try and concentrate away from that, and that's when this happens. What I've noticed as well, people have had, from the notes here, people have had mild severe headaches, scary irritation, dizziness, nausea, numbness and tingling in hands, tiredness, sleepiness, heart problems, memory loss, irritability, feelings of stress and anxiety, depression, breathing difficulty, muscle and joint pain, all related to the energy-saving light bulbs. Not only that, if they damaged, mercury vapor gets released as well. That's if the actual part of the bulb was gone. Now I'm actually going to do a bit of, I've got this toner. This is the TV. The TVs emit a lot of electromagnetic radiation. I turn it on. It'll emit a lot of electromagnetic radiation. So I'll put the toner on. You can see the amount of radiation that comes from the screen. That's from the digibox. But this is what's in the room actually. Okay, now I'll put on what comes out from the energy saver bulb. I'll put this one. This one's in the room, but I don't really use. That's as a energy saving one. Yeah, to put out more radiation. And then this is the LED one, which I have. It emits far less radiation. And this is another energy saving one. That's what I'm going to say at the moment. But yeah, I actually had blown the light bulbs. We managed to get the LED one. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's got you can see the reflection of the LEDs, and so it uses less power at the same time, less radiation, but it's more prone to my energy outbursts. Now, because of the suppression of the the energy outbursts that I get. I'm just wondering, because some people have conspiracies of that these bulbs are put into place to actually dumb down thought processes of people. That's a conspiracy. Which kind of like what supports it is when with the fluoride in the water. And the thing is, you just don't really need that kind of thing, and it just actually aggravates it, which is why I just got like a massive builder when the light bulbs of my LED and my standard light bulb blue, um, the the energy saving ones tend to have withstood the radiation that I was emitting, and it actually, when they went off, it as well tripped the earth leakage, the main switch, and as well damage to the street light and the what do you call it, the outside security lights that Gen 2 has put on the back of the flat. It's got this horrible yellow light. So yeah, that's what I'm going to say. And I was just wondering, what I'm actually thinking is, I don't know if there's more people out there that are like me, that when under stress and trauma and you're fighting negative ideas that come in your head on how to kill yourself and all that, because I'm not a violent person. I don't really inflict violence on people but myself, and I fight them, and that's when I actually emit the radiation from my body or mind, and it tends to release with the explosion of the light bulb or something like that. I do not actually have any control over it, but the thing is, if I do probably try and control it, it will probably counteract my emotions, in the sense that I might lean more towards the self-destructive ideas from the depression and anxiety that's been inflicted on me through various reasons of particularly authoritative abuse, of people trying to control me like my parents did, and then people in society that just don't understand me. They put these, they try and control me that I so-called behave, even though I follow my consciousness, and all that. That's what I'll just say at the moment. Much love and namaste.